Welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. All right, peeps, listen up. I just could not sit and let this bad to the bone bundle go without me playing with it. So I have transformed my nails from this into this. Hey, I decided to go some traditional like fall orangey colors. And you guys, I had to use the bad to the bone plate. Like I had to. It was calling my name. So I'm going to. This is my plan. Haha. This is my plan. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna put the mummy on here, and I'm gonna try to do some accents or something. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. I want him to have eyeballs. I don't know how that's gonna be yet. And I was also thinking that I really like the eat, drink, and be scary. So I'm gonna put that one probably on my glitter nail. Yeah, so let's go ahead and do this thing. Let's start out with eat, drink, and be scary. I mean, why not? Let's see if this thing's even gonna come off. I got my stamping stuff. Oh, I'm also using the color Haunted that came with the kit. I'll be using it a little bit, just a little bit. And no, my hands are not gonna match at all whatsoever, but I mean, it's Halloween. I'm allowed to wear a costume, right? So that means my nails can be costumey too. All right, let's put that right in the middle. Eat, drink, and be scary. Hopefully it's in the middle. If not, I'll have to do my little, oh yeah, I did pretty well. Eat, drink, and be scary. And it actually matches this color like perfectly. Okay, by the way, these colors that I have on here, they are, oh, it's a conglomeration. I've got this one from Elite 99, the glitter that's on there. I have this is an old Sensational espresso bean. As you can see, it's not that color, so, you know. And then I also have another Elite 99, 90514. So that's this orangey color. Okay, yeah, I like that one very much, so I'm gonna leave that one. And now for the mummy, the mummy, I don't know, you guys, I just don't know how it's gonna work out. By the way, a quick tip, something that I wanna tell you guys is that, you see how the grain of this one is kind of going that direction? I do not wanna scrape it this way, because if I do that, it's gonna dig into these grooves. So what I want to do is I want to turn it and I want to scrape with the grooves. I decided to do the mummy in this color, and then I'm going to go back with our Haunted, and I think I'm going to do some accents on top of it. I don't know yet. I haven't figured it out yet. This one is called Skin Deep. So we'll try to have them. I don't know. I don't know if it's going to look good. We're just going to have to see, people. Do you trust me? Because really you shouldn't. You should not trust me, okay? FYI. I'm gonna clean my stamper off. Get things ready. Yeah, I wanted to do, that was probably too much scraping. Oh, you know what? That was too much scraping, but I kind of like the rustic-y way that it turned out. See all the holes in it? I kind of like that. That's kind of what I was going for anyway. I was gonna put lots of coloration on top of it. So let's see what happens. I mean, it could look like total poop. And if it does, then we'll go with it from there. I wanted to give it some kind of depth. You know what that is from? That's from me scraping a million times. It was dry before I put it on there. Okay, on the plus side, it is kind of picking up some of the colors in the orange. And I think I would want to give him yellow eyes with this. Okay, let's get it on there and let's have a look and see if it really is what I want to do. So give me a second, I'm going to take this off and we'll do another take on that one. We are going to try that again. So I've cleaned off my nail, cleaned off my stamper. I do not want to scrape more than once. I'm gonna do what I tell people to do all the time, which is do not overscrape. Here we go. It's gonna be fabulous. It's gonna be amazeballs. I'm gonna love every minute of it. Okay, let's see how it turned out. Yeah, it doesn't have that kind of sparse look on it, but I don't know. And you know what I might do? I might double stamp it so it becomes a little bit more crisp and clear. Because you see how it's a little bit, like the color is not opaque enough, I guess, for my liking. Although I love that it's already got that feel of, I didn't want it to be white. That's what it was. I wanted it to be dirty. It's already got that feel of, you know, being dirty and... Okay, do I do another stamp on top of it? That's the question. Oh, I don't know. I mean, why not? We can always redo it if it sucks, right? 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 That's one of the beautiful things about using regular polish to stamp. Not that I've ever been able to use gel polish. Do you guys know of any gel polishes that are stamps? I've tried it before and I just can't get it to work. It never quite turns out right. So I just always stamp with regular polish, but I do it over gel polish because it's easy to take off. I can very easily take it off and do it again. Okay, so this time I'm going to stamp it again, but I'm going to stamp it directly on top of the other one. And as you guys might know, that's it's not as easy as it sounds all the time. All right, here we go. Okay, you guys, do a little happy dance for me. See if I can line it up good. Did I just say good? Well, whatever. Although, by doing that, it kind of looks like it's more wrapped. Yeah, I do like that. I do like that. Another tip, when you get, first of all, I didn't use my liquid latex, my bad. But if you don't, then you can always take some kind of sharp, like an orange wood stick or some kind of sharp object, and you can kind of separate what's on the nail from what's on your finger. This is really good for making sure that what stays on the nail and doesn't come up. Okay, well, so far, I'm digging it. He's gonna need some eyeballs. I was thinking yellow, but maybe not yellow now, I don't know. But what I wanna do is I wanna dirty it up a bit. So, it looks very clean right now, and I mean, mummies aren't clean. So what I want to do is mix this with some clear polish. So let me grab a clear polish. Okay, so I've got myself a really old polish, super old Wet n Wild, no, New York, NYC one. And I'm gonna mix it with this, and I don't want to mix it like super well. Like I said, I want it to be kind of dirty. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna see what happens with a detail brush. You just never know. And I'm gonna put kind of like in the lines, just kind of put them here, put them there. Make it look like this thing actually might have been 1,000 years old, right? Isn't that the objective here? I don't know that I'm doing anything wonderful or good to it, but does it look more realistic? I think not. But I do like that it's not as bright. Okay. I dig that. It makes it look a little bit more, you know, like it's been around a while. Even though it's glittery. maybe I didn't think that part through. It's a very fancy mummy. Okay, and I don't know. What do you guys think about eyeballs? Do you think regular, like white eyeballs, or red eyeballs, or black eyeballs? Let me go look at my colors and I'll see what I can come up with. This nail is oddball altogether, and this green, this lime pine, this says, I need to be in the middle of this mani. That's what it says. So I'm just gonna put a glob here. I'm probably gonna have to put several, I just want dots, by the way. I don't want anything crazy, I don't want anything, I'm not gonna actually try to make it look like eyeballs or anything like that. I just want dots, and I'm probably gonna have to put a couple of coats because I don't know if it's gonna be you know, like if it's gonna be see-through or what. Okay, everybody wish me luck. I just don't know if I can do it or not. Here we go. I mean, that's a good eyeball. Shut your face right now. If I can get 2 of those. Oh my gosh, that is so awesome. Oh, he's a little crooked. He's looking off into outer space, but I dig him anyway. All right. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like it. I like it a lot. I think I'm gonna top coat it. Eat, drink, and be scary. Gosh, you guys, I love this new Bad to the Bone one. Okay, eat, drink, and be scary. Let's top coat these bad boys. I do have to wait, by the way, because I put quite a bit on there. So I'm gonna wait probably a good 10 minutes or so before I put a top coat on. Otherwise, those green eyeballs are going to, they're gonna get stuck under that and get gooey underneath that gel top coat. So I'll wait about 10 minutes and then I'll top coat them. I can't let it alone. I want to do something on my thumb as well, and I really wanted to use one of these eyeballs. So, you know, these are pretty creepy. I want to kind of put them off in the corner of my nail. So let's do that too before we top coat. I mean, I'm waiting on stuff to dry anyway, so I might as well, right? I mean, this channel is called Decorate Every Nail You Got, so let's just do it. You guys, I had to sneak in one more Halloween manicure. This plate was just screaming my name. Uh-oh, I have to do that again because I didn't clean my stamper. My bad, y'all, my bad. Let's try that one more time. Let's go ahead and do that again. I love taking y'all for the ride with me. Mess ups and all. Okay, I'm gonna use my sticky stamper station. And I'm gonna just, oh, it is Fuzzball City. I've got all kinds of, you know, I should probably just get a new sticky stamper station page, but why when that one works, right? Okay, I'm gonna put these off in the corner. Do I wanna put them in this corner or that corner? Or right in the middle, maybe right in the middle. Nah, off in the corner. Oh, I know you guys can't see that, but you'll see it now. That's not a good viewing angle. Okay. They're pretty scary. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna wait those extra couple of minutes and then I'm gonna top coat and show you guys what the end product looks like. There we have it, our second Halloween manicure. I think it ended up being really cute. I love that this one is completely different than all the other nails. I did that on purpose, that's what I wanted. And I'm really happy that I went through with and tried to dirty it up. So that was the Maniology M158 plate. And this was the also that came with the Bad to the Bone collection was the Haunted color. And then I also used some Skin Deep and Lime Pine. So those are some other things that I used. People, I do hope, once again, that you have a great Halloween. I do hope that if you choose to use some of Maniology's products that you will go to the website and then you will put my code in so you can get 10% off of your order. Follow me on Instagram. I'm getting more Instagram followers and that's always fun. So I'm at Groove Mama, so feel free to go ahead and join the troop. Speaking of joining things, if you want to subscribe, I mean, you know, click the button and stuff. Let's get that done too. People, I wish you a very happy Halloween, and until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye!